All right, how did I just sign up 58 people in a couple weeks and generate 1,500 bucks cash as an affiliate with Save Club? Okay, well, the first thing is a no-brainer. You have to join. Okay, and if you're watching me now and still on the fence, guys, you need to join. Please have faith. Okay, if you trust me, if you like me, if you feel like you know me a little bit through Live Good or my other businesses, please just join now. Okay, I don't want you to join in a week or two or even in a month, because then another 10, 20, 30,000 people might join. Or not even might. I just know they're going to. We have thousands of people worldwide joining right now. And in America, it's just the wild, wild west. Okay? I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you're already joined or you're thinking about it. Okay, so you're in the door. Or maybe you're searching for like really good opportunities. What's this Save Club? And somehow I popped out just because you like the color yellow. Okay, so how did I sign up 58 people? Well, I joined. Okay, somebody let me know. Okay, our number one guy in Save Club said, look at this. I did, and I joined right away. I could tell that this is going to be successful because this is similar to a company called Live Good. Okay, I joined Live Good a couple years ago. All right, and over those couple years, I signed up 400 and something people. It put me number 29 out of 2 million people on the leaderboard. I love the products. I like the ownership, and I like the structure of the website and the pay plan and the credit card processing, the cryptocurrency processing. I like everything about it. And they've signed up 2 million people in 2 years, by the way. Okay, not even Netflix, Costco. No one has done that many people, okay, in lesser time. Okay, this opportunity, it came a knocking. I looked into it, and it did take me a full day before I asked myself, do I have the time to promote it? Okay, because it's not a matter of the amount, because it's only 60 bucks to be an affiliate. And then it's $19.97, okay, to enjoy the savings, which we can go over. But it was so easy for me to join, and that's because I was, and I still am, in Live Good. Now, if you're brand new and you're just trying to make money in your underwear on your computer at home, or you're sitting behind your steering wheel on your cell phone, just going, God, is there any way to make extra money or enough money where I can just work at home online and have a life, have freedom? This is it. I really believe this is it. I'm kind of jealous of Charles, who got this going with Ben Glinsky, the CEO. Okay, it's a great idea. I love saving money on things I'm already buying. My first month, I saved 700 bucks with Save Club. Okay, that's just the first month. Every month, I'm going to go shopping and go traveling and go buying things. And right now, the first thing I think is, let me go into the search and see if if the search engine inside Save Club can find me deals. And if there's deals, then yeah, you bet your butt. If I can save 100, 200, 300 bucks a month by only spending 20, count me in. So I hurry and joined. That's what I hope you do. Do your research. You can go to YouTube, look at videos. Please avoid the ones that say it's a scam or is it legit? Is it a pyramid? No, it's not. This is not some shady Ponzi where you're just taking in money to pay someone else. This is not that. This is not even an MLM traditional, like where you have to pretend to buy products in order to earn commissions. If you have $19.97 a month, you're qualified. If you pay the 60 bucks, guys, you're an affiliate. If you want to join for the year, you're VIP and you get bigger commissions. Okay? And if you're on a budget, then just go month to month. And if you don't like what you're saving, or you just don't even like Save Club at all, then just quit. That way you're only out a few $20 bills. Okay? So this is not a cash grab. This is not some scam. This is just good old-fashioned saving money on things you're already buying. And there's a nice affiliate fee. So if you want to be a cheerleader and tell people about this opportunity, then yeah, do it. Okay? I'm very excited to present this to you. All I can do is just show you behind the office a little bit, tell you what I do. If you join my team, you're going to join 2 Facebook groups. Okay? There's pictures, videos being made for you guys. All right? I belong to the best and the biggest and the most powerful group in Save Club. And that's right. I deemed all those definitions myself. Okay, but no, there really is some powerhouses in our group. And we're going to help our downline, because if you make money, I make money. And if I make money, you can get some spillover. Okay, we take care of each other, all right? So How did I sign up 58 people in a couple weeks and generate already 1,500 plus bucks? Guys, I invite people to a page to where there's a video. And if you want more information or you want to sign up, it's right there next to the video. That is it. There's nothing left to overanalyze. Okay, so let's go through the process. ilovesaveclub.com. Click that right now. You're going to go to this page. You're going to watch this video. It's a YouTube video with our founder, Charles. 6 minutes. Watch it. If you like what you see, fill this out right here. Click that orange button. You're going to get an email from Save Club, and you're going to get one from me. Okay? And if you want to join, just open up your Save Club email, and then boom, just click the word join. Get your username, password. All right, go to the little section that says My Earnings and configure, if you're in America, your bank account. If you're out of the country, cryptocurrency, e-wallet, iPayout. All right, we have many ways to accept payment because we realize that when you have a worldwide company like us, you got to accept different forms of payment. Okay, but you guys figure it out. But first, you got to make a decision. But in this case, you got to hurry. June 1st is the official kickoff. Right now, it is May 9th. We're 20 days away. So if you join now, you're 20 days ahead of the pack. But it's time to get good at just inviting people to click a link, to watch a video, and to join. That's all you got to do. Get a business card if you'd like. I'll show you how. They're cheap. $22 right to your door. I designed this just with Vistaprint. ilovesaveclub.com. I bought it at GoDaddy, and then it forwards right to your capture page, which you have when you pay your $60. You got a full-blown website. Go through the whole thing. You can go to My Deals, search local, search country, search worldwide deals. Okay. My team, everyone that's signed up, I got about 100 people in my group now. All right. My referrals just says the name and the contact information so I can email people and see how they're doing. Leaderboard, it's kind of fun. I forgot what I am right now. Okay, it looks like I'm number 12. All right, so that's exciting for me. It's fun to be on the leaderboard worldwide. Looks like a lot of Americans and Costa Rica. There's Japan. There's England. Japan. Canada. I don't even know what that country is there. Is that Poland or Italy? I don't know. I don't even know what the red stripes with the white going against it. But obviously there's a lot of deals right now in America. But we're going to Canada. We're going to African areas. We're going to Asian areas, of course, all over the UK. Okay. But yeah, there's customer service. Okay. Statistics. You can just see how many people are pre-enrolled. Okay. So if you go to ilovesaveclub.com, put in your information. It's called pre-enrolling. So it looks like I've already had 8 people pre-enroll. I've had one person make a decision to upgrade. Okay, and by the end of the evening, I'll probably have 3, 4, people, if not more. Yesterday, I had 6 people sign up, so that was very exciting. Let me leave you with this. This is the hardest to explain because it's boring, and it's easier if you just read the webpage. And the company is now making a really nice produced pay plan video, but we get 5 ways we get paid on the membership side. You don't buy a bunch of products to earn commissions. This is not traditional MLM. This is saving money on things you're already buying or going to buy. Okay? And then here's the 5 ways. Of course, I can make money if you make money. So my best intentions are best intentions. I don't have to fake to make and bullcrap you. Guys, if I can help you make more money and it helps me make more money, it's a no-brainer. Okay? So anyway, just go through the page. saveclub.com/payplan. Okay, check it out and rock and roll. That's what I do. That's how I explain this situation because I think it's fairly easy. Everybody's wanting to, if you don't want to save money, you're crazy. Okay, spend 20 a month to save 50 to 100 or maybe thousands. Okay, I saved $700 my first month. I'm already happy the rest of the year, to be honest. That's amazing. And then to make $1,500 just in 2 weeks. Oh my. I mean, that's like, I'm just barely getting going. Okay. But please, if you're going to join or thinking about it, do your research now. And I recommend joining my team. I want you in the Facebook groups. I want you to get pictures. I want you to get videos you can use. That way, if you don't want to be on camera like this, don't worry about it. Use videos already made. Okay. And at the end of the day, anyway, Charles can do everything on that video right there on the capture page. Okay. So just relax. You don't have to do what I'm doing. But if you like to, it's going to help you. No doubt about it. If you do video, people like video. They can hear your voice. They can see you. All right. But like I said, don't worry about it. Don't get anxiety and not join because you think you have to do video. You just relax and have a good time and let us just help you. You help us. Give us advice. If you need videos made of a topic or training, let me know. I love doing videos, especially tutorial. Okay. All right, guys. Well, anyway, I'm over 10 minutes. So I love saveclub.com, and I really do. Okay. And get a hold of me, Cory at corydraper.com. All right. Okay. Have a good weekend if you're watching me live. Peace and love. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, because in 2 days, we're celebrating moms. Okay. And thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. All right. Take care, guys. We'll see you next video.